said good morning. I got them all the way off until I decided to get off this off switch.
Did say hello there, 88 dear.
Hey, 88, I'm gonna see if I can jump up your radio too, man. Me and this low side of this little bitty thing, bulldozer in the bayou. 88, bulldozer gone, I see ya. Hey, 88, I just eased it a little bit more to the left, Roger.
What about that 88? What about that 88? Bill Country boy, Tennessee.
Hey, 88, we're gonna try to get in your receive one more time.
Country boy, Tennessee, whoa.
Wait. Hey, troublemaker, smokestack in the shack. Hey, appreciate it, 88. You take care.
What about that 88? What about that 88? Country ball won't know it. It made a difference on your receiver.
Seeing the home of Jack Daniels stepping, boy, is a wow.